Welcome to our channel One to Step. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can find Wish promo code. So follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe button so you guys can find yourself Wish promo code as well. So the first step to finding Wish promo code is you want to search for coupon follow. And once you search for coupon follow, the first option where it says couponfollow.com, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to its official website. Now once you're in its official page over here, at the top right corner, you can see the search bar. What you want to do is click on it and write Wish. Once you do that, it's going to show you wish.com. You want to click on wish.com and it's going to show you all the promo codes available for wish.com. Now from all of this, choose the one which you like. Let's say I like this one over here which says 10% off. I can click on show coupon code and then it's going to show me the coupon code. Now what I can do is just copy it and during the checkout time in wish.com, apply this coupon code and I will get 10% off on any purchase I make on wish.com. That's how we guys can find Wish promo code. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.